Welcome back to Hot Mixology. As I said, this is Hot Mixology Cocktail Basics 2014. These are basic cocktails you know how to make at home. You've seen the recipes before. I'm just teaching you a little different twist on them, if you will, with some great products we use in creating them. Now, as we do it every single week, you can check out hotmixology.com for all the recipes, more information, past episodes, a featured brands page, where to get all these great products into your home, into your bar. Now, as we start out this great episode of Cocktail Basics, we're starting with the Silvercoin Bloody Mary. And Silvercoin Tequila, I gotta tell you, a double gold medal winner at the San Francisco International Spirits Awards. They have a panel of judges that are truly experts in the spirit industry. So when you get a double gold in that competition, it really means something. And Silvercoin Tequila does it great for the Santa Fe Tequila Company. This is a silver tequila and just a premium tequila from the package to the passion they take in creating this great tequila, from the agaves that they harvest from to the distillation process. They just bring you a perfect tequila, and they really deserve that double gold medal winning award from the San Francisco Spirits Awards. Now, the Silvercoin Bloody Mary, here's what I did. In a spiked shaker with ice, I put in the Silvercoin Silver Tequila. And then I added Backyard Mary Bloody Mary mix. And Backyard Mary, as we talk about on Hot Mixology, this is just a premium Bloody Mary mix. It was created by my friends. They just created it by having their backyard barbecues, having fun with their friends, and just trying different recipes to create the ultimate Bloody Mary mix. And they did it right with Backyard Mary. Perfect for a barbecue, perfect in the morning, and great with Bloody Mary, whether you're using vodka, tequila, any spirit into your Bloody Mary. It's just a perfect mix for it. It has all the spices in there for you, so you don't have to add the Worcestershire or the horseradish. Any of those things you usually do. It's just it has a little kick about it, like it says. It's all about the kick right there on the jar, and it is all about the kick. It gives a little spicy there, but not too much, so you can enjoy the cocktail. So, as a Bloody Mary traditionally is made with vodka, as I said, we made it with tequila today in the Silvercoin Bloody Mary. So again, in the spiked shaker with ice, Silvercoin Tequila, the silver tequila, the double gold medal winning silver tequila, if I may, and then added the Backyard Mary Bloody Mary mix, shook it up real nice, and just poured it into a glass with ice. And I garnished it today with just a yellow pepper right there, just to give a little touch to it, a nice little garnish. It is the Silvercoin Bloody Mary right here on Hot Mixology. We're talking cocktail basics for 2014. Sit back, relax. We're going to be back with more fun, more flavors, more Hot Mixology. The only way we know how to do it with that Hot Mixology style. Salute, everybody.
Hot Mixology, hot